Here you have everything in one spot. The locomotive engines are either being fueled or repaired here. The trucks are being repaired. This is a Union Pacific Rail shop, and any minute you are going to see aeroplanes landing at Salt Lake International Airport. This is Salt Lake. We are looking eastward. This is the Rocky in front of me. And as you can tell, the snow is not much. The snow is, this is like salt and pepper condition, which means there is not enough moisture to cover the rocks. The rocks are exposed, which means very, very thin coat of snow. If you go above 8,000 feet elevation, you will not see the dark areas. You are going to see everything white. But here on the city, it is only 4,300 feet elevation. I like that more. Why they have it? How do they operate it? Click, 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 click. I don't know how they operate it. But they also have an air horn on the top, I guess. I don't see one. This F here tells you this is the front. This is where the engineer climbs and sit right in here, because the other end is the back, where that other end here, I think that either the power generation end, like electric power generation, or the diesel engine end. I'm not sure where is the diesel engine and where is the dynamo that generates electricity. But you can tell this is rear to rear. This is the rail, this is unit right here, and the next one, the one that has 5744, and this is 5452. That is rear to rear, which means the front end all the way in the back and the front there, and this is the front end on this side. This is old or new. It looks like new to me. Everything here is new. Everything is neat. But you see under the chassis, between the axles, that part that are corrugated rubber cover, I think that should be the electric bundle, the cables that comes from the generator, the electric generator, to the traction motors. And what you see, that bar in the bottom between the two wheels, this is the brake, the lever that, if you look at here carefully, right here, I magnify it for you. This is the part. This is where it applies the brake on both sides. Can you tell whether the brakes are on or off? I can assure you they are off. They are not applied. And if you look at this side right here, this side is not applied. This side is applied.